Kingdom of Forest no papa e da asem ade na ye no one ma nkrofo bebre abafie na so nkrofo bebre abafie se o so won akire nipa bebre gu wirem so opetume enti wakoje tume ogoje tume na o meda ase o we kire o nipa obribia akowirem enti ye wo nipa wo gu wirem ene wakofa tume no bi owo osikan osebo mmoa ahohom bosum tume e wakofa ban mmoa ne ngom abafie ena nipa bom ayede akogu wirem o meyi God every ho. They are creating artificial intelligence. Obiara enkambum na yenye ade a ebeko onyankopon ho. Efe ye ko artificial general intelligence. General intelligence no oba ni ho obema ni ho ne opebia utumi ye. Transhumanism no say yentumi ne emu akura atumi ware. Yentumi ye biribiara. Sani aye hu beto yen. But enye ni onyamepe.
Isaac Nana Obiri Yeboah Enterprise ye. Isaac Nana Obiri Yeboah Enterprise nkwan na ebetumi ama nkundwa papa ti say dia mesisu. Isaac Nana Obiri Yeboah nkwan na ebetumi ama wo nkundwa ene ni wardrobe ne dining ne bar ene ni dressing mirror e wo man we mu ane bo no e da fo. Na beto nkundwa Isaac Nana Obiri Yeboah na service ka. O dia frɛ no ma na egu screen ni so no.
Akwa abashonko eba ye fidie kese yi so dumedia obehwe yi betimi ahwe ewo too much GH so anase Africa media so ebusua omanga na mu ha se di afi yesi mu nche ye nenso no wo bete yesi akwanhia we yesi eja hyehye nkofo fie hyehye nkofo owu eni ade akese mpetu wo bia aba so ne de ye dwenwa ye nti asente ne ya ba be piem ewo ye odifa Abednego nche ye bebusa se ehintasem ben ena ekoso osunsun mu ewo manga na nti a emebru no one ewu no ebuso aka me ho ne yenkoma odifo akwaba daddy
hello very good now we dress so I fans onyame so yenka onyame ka ho ye deva yes
daddy emebru no ya say shedodo yes and then akwanhia ne so adoso wo beti yes jato fiwe mu obi ne ne mom nyina ewu daddy ehintasem bi wo ewo hunhum a ekuti omanga na
yo osunu asasiru adinya so to for Japan da wase nia wabisa so eyasem kese fina no na abase yema nanado His Excellency the President you trying to present and Vice President and Ghana for mpemfo ni na onyame asundwen kai na ne etini se esese Ghana for one free immediate prayer meeting ewo man Ghana na onyame bufusu na eko other countries no ebi amma Ghana ha na onyame wo ebufusu a odeko oman biara so se no nye dikai anka ebeya afashe a ereba sese na anu na baako sorry omotutu yare wa gukrom omotutu yare gukrom because skeni ho aduma ni ho wo dentra motutu gu wo peska se akwanhye ni yare ne doso oha ne doso a ena nkofo behwehwe sa tume no echi kwai anye behwe no nkondwa bebre ebuafu ahemfuru gu so pre nkondwa ena eho amane kra woye wontumi ye wonim ante sei no nkondwa afashe ebeba na no ebinum so mehwe accident wo pemoja no ebinum so meye se ena yesre se anka ruade ehu ye mobo no say my people are destroyed for lack of knowledge say enamo presidential seat ninti ade attention bebre ebufu nkwa na awo nkrofo kumam denti na ebufu nkwa we say medi anase didija ene dade na nam enibre ni munamuna na nam anka advice kakra we nyo nyame asem we me advice kakra mesre say wo pesa asundwe mbra anka His Excellency the President Akufo-Addo on resign
daddy say on akori aka afi ba kope
anka on resign na on sele Ghana for say me pacho me na me kai me ntumi ye me srem no onja wachi na Bawumia Excellency on to aso no one fa ye election So Bawumia to me no winner we win when to me no what difference one difference. Since Kufa do better so confirm so be yes.
Wow. Where your advice? I get what advice here who are saying resign yakebwa.
Very good.
Net is a Kufa do tell so no so be ka ho na ma
say no
e koso ma
you say ebufu asem confirm ma.
For July.
Nkofo July. Nkofo July nti de bia mesresa anka Ghana for asofo muma ye mbompa mekufa. Na nko beti asia on resign. The new people to come and set new affairs in the country. Na me na meka se me baby edu mabre se my oluman nti mesremo monto aso mompo bi na onto aso na ne ametuma ye na maye. Na anka obi akoma ato ne yam. They say ono ene wa ma nkofo abufu otayamba me ne wontem. Wa wodi akufo edu echi no ho to. Wa wodi na echi ho nto. Nti wani bebra na wani mbre. Enti abufu se nkofo mu wo magana.
Wow.
Enti ena mabufu ni nti no. Ena na no me ho na ye kohwa ade bi so Awurade ye operation Liberty for Humanity. The watchman of the kingdom of Botanicus. Botanicus no ejira homa the kingdom of forest. Kingdom of forest no papa e da asem ade na ye no wa ma nkrofo bebre abafie na so nkrofo bebre abafie se also wa kire nipa bebre egu wirem. Nipa bebre wa kire egu wirem no se so petume enti wa kwaje tume o kwaje tume na o meda ase o we kire o nipa obribia akowirem. Enti ye wo nipa wogu wirem ene wakofa tumi no bi owo osikan osebo mwa ahohom bosum tumi e wakofa ban mwa ne ngom abafie ena nipa bom ayede akogu wirem ewo honhom wo manyimu.
Wow.
Enti mebo wo nya adwuma ne bebre aye basa ne nyina wogu wirem
odwe sisumpo
odwe siso omba ombofran bebre mehum lanti bebre omugu wirem. Millions, there is a spiritual prison in the forest. Is controlled by the demons because ufie umami unya apesekedru opefem opese and baby okoji tumeno eye abua antino nipa no ekwen so obema wade okwa abosofo no obema wade anamebua o ma wade na ode abafie anti se ade a oye no eso obedase wo medase na obefa oba onua owofa no na ide akoto wirem na abua ne tifie
se 2 minutes ode abefie
ode abefie ndo no abefie ndi so ye chimpanzee ogwan okraman osebo a hippopotamus a no sifie na na machi o na yese o na ma nensa na ma neduane na onipa no okra no otiwirem enti nipa bebre a wo hu hwe wo ntuma ye o ma ne ye wo mu wirem. And to my Radia Koshe Nipa egu wirem a nipa gu wirem and I'm one mum abetrefi and tin say no ama ebufuo asem krofo ma and ti say e beye possible nanka oman Ghana won't ase nana eye medase ne awaye no ne obeya no waye wa beye free education. Free education abeboa but amboa nipa ni wie school no ne SSA ultimate invention ultimate explore discover create no they cannot
we probably university
university how many university students have created something since from Antino Ghana education system even Africa is ofunte especially Ghana. Because Ofunte wait, they has not acquired anything out of their school. School ye ko na ye ntuma nya hwewom.
I just say adwemu na bia me hu wiase na kodru but say ye say bibi ne de.
There be no any school. What you say? Anti free education.
No ko aso mo ko ye kra ni ho. Course na ka
say what is so man ska no ahwe nipa no. Ma we school but resources be anye there. Em free mo amba. Oman so ahokire o kam They say yeska etuan krofoka, yenyeska. Yenyeska dia infrastructure, yenyeska yes feeding fee, school free education. Near the oil.
We are no movie. We are
no
movie.
Ahe oil ahe near to. Ye buy no oil ye two oil say. Yenyeska say, ne ya spend say, and aka say, e wife. And yet, that's what's this getting us and cause free education. And one year they call free education, free education. I'm from fast, so Nippon no school, go no free. My francophone, they don't know anything, but they have gone to SHS. They learn nothing. They cannot do anything. Graduate unemployment, graduate, you cannot invent, create, explore. Whereas so many people are scientists, even they don't know. As of for baby, spirit of Mukuta, and a scientist. A scientist is a nest of Juma. They say, young papa apostle Safo.
Yeah.
For quite a long time, I make a challenge say that man is not an apostle, it's a scientist. Now, where who need destiny, where who need spirit, and all they call a software. And they didn't know ye no them saw a software. Until I didn't be revealed children and say, do this. And the woman who said he is a scientist. I didn't know Kuta a scientist. What I say, it was all the core scientists. I proven no more. See, I saw no. I'm a next say it's called engineer. Yeah. So the on your apostle, they are so for baby spirit of Mukutan and your apostolic. Okay. They are not apostolic priests. Okay. And the son school for education, baby, no, they are not lawyers. Baby, I could a lawyer, no baby, uncle for bon for on your lawyer. Obetuma invent a creative explore. Doctorate, a sanka, oh, yeah, doctor, to me, medicine. Why can't we do medicines? As still medicines are suffering, we are suffering from so many sickness and disease, whereas we cannot get proper medicines. At the same time, we cannot advance our hospitality, our hospital equipment. We cannot. This year they go abroad, and the ministers, why are they walk abroad? 1 year in Ghana.
There's some common yes.
Enti na brofo bribi ba wose mumu yehwe je se da dru na fiefa abrochira ba abetese na no mehwe no edru bia omo ye no wose o de tese Ghana, Malawi, Nipa country, 3 country, Malawi edru bi won yehwe abrochiri obreko habai na egu wire mu han bebre. So where are our researchers? The government have to buy scientists. The secret government be obeba no, the most secret thing and the most fair and first and foremost is to buy scientists. And God so good. We have apostles, Safo Kantanka here.
Yeah. They can't implement.
Imagine. America be developed, China be developed. They buy scientists, not scientists from China. Americans go to China, buy scientists from there, from China okay. to America. Feed them. British go to Dubai, buy scientists. Scientists, America, China government go to America, buy scientists to the Americans. It's Americans who developed that coronavirus. It's Americans.
Wow.
Not the Chinese. But they do it in China. But the scientists are Americans. Until government be a obeban, until they say, Akufo should sit down, should resign. President be obebayano. Woman, they have no knowledge of anything. Want to be here, she won't who.
That is the
you empty a foot to say, you, a comedy, so I could pedro. What the choir, sorry, choir, a daddy, is in Juma, I could die down, I could bone prefer pool. Afraid I spirit in over true, Bosun Babet, unto me dassy. And to me dash over 4 years, Unia or Bush and I could do you. Confirm say Bobby Triaka. Now, Unjaka, Unja Unia, Unjawe. Until Ghana for Baby William, Africans, Baby William, because in their way in superstition, Bayism, Bosam, and Drosem, and Finsem, not scientists to bring the thing reality. Until the government, and then they have no knowledge to find out how to rule. Let's say you are independent, and you are independent, sir. You can do for yourself. Yes. Why do you begging? Why do you roam, chin, begging? What I said? Yeah. As an independent state, which means you are capable to of yourself, feed yourself. Yeah. And let's say, uye de uye ubiribiara upe meko utumi ye meko upe ntosa utumi ye upe biribia utumi ye. That is the independence. But you are not independent. You call yourself an independent country for what? Ghana is beyond age. Yes, so you are still going to IMF for 60, 70 years. You cannot do anything because you don't have scientists. And they say, Anka Moflebi Hokra, Osheno, no Gusu Select from nursery now, Ebedu JHS. No one who said these people, we can get 10, 20, 100 people, children which are scientists. Now government a big hall, big country way among school among school of science. The government better told them if you are for, so the children will not go home again. They are for the state. State have to look after them. Not school. They are practicing. What are they? What develop? And the Abu Frank will be another obey for. Obey no. Obey to me. They are the what I say. And then we have to get people to teach them how to run in the spiritual realm and bring from the spiritual realm to physical. That is the scientist. I don't know more. And the doctor, no, a doctor, Albert Mayer drawer. Now, government and actor, if you are for now, what shows are to the baby and to be pray, not over no kuta, baby. And then I comforted a confono, more than before, or could say so. Obeban, now you're comfort. And that Obino sorry, on the materials of your comfort, and so or common about over your comfort, General Chiboko, Ogusura, never why, sir, common qua on your comfort. No, oh, born as soon as so come out, won't say yes. Or your comfort.
No, Daddy.
Is it?
Yeah.
These are all knowledge. Onja is cannot say no. Nonja is a free education. And fashion back. So say, Kai that want to make what was to say.
It is here, Kenoforiata say, or call China Copacho, so Mufa and Chayan. Get him in chair.
Ah! And then the almost they want to me to our sign the 4 floor bed castle. So say what by say I say Ubia so Jiniska Ghana will be sold. So Ghana has already sold.
Wow.
Our debt have sold the country. So say if you say the resources on the middle mine or mining, but we are still suffering because we don't have scientists. Our spirit is the kingdom of God to tell you the truth, what you have to do for you to be free. And to would a different media. And I would to be who just a man I make a channel. And to hear be all by Metro who send out who say, oh, yes, sir, I saw for baby, when they saw for also in the say, which means he has no knowledge. I don't know yet on Tiasia, a book, a beprano, a mount to make heaven, or no yank of Waye, or ye can go heaven, but the stupidness. Also on Sunday, be how not to go heaven, there, cha. When he never how not to go heaven. Two also many no one and I'm called something. No, yet, and so or per se on ye. No be or best on ye there on shit. But that is not correct. Well, and the foot to a man say, a yes, say, O man Ghana no, and your obidia, then the whole world here. The Ghana also we are seeing him at the Dunia a radidia. And the Shabre any or man bisu. America, India, Japan, say yes, say yes, Shabre any woman, sir. Now, dear, I was say I was from 2 years of for this. Maybe do of baby Babylon. A bass 1 year see that and Konya Kupo. And the Emunya Mebufuso a buy. So one of the greatest disaster which will come to happen in Africa and the world is the secret of Babylon. Secret of Babylon. Abrofonu Gusu says they say they want to go to what? Heaven. And also the great confusion, disaster, Babeba. Niente Babeba say everybody is now living under what? AI, artificial intelligence. And they artificial general intelligence. And you want transhumanism. And say you want man. And say about God. Say no. Oh, may ye God every ho. They are creating artificial intelligence. And no never say the whole world should go to artificial intelligence. Obiara enkambum na yenye adea ebeko unyankopon ho. FA called artificial general intelligence. General intelligence is oba ni ho obema ni ho ni opebia utumi ye. And so they call transhumanism. Transhumanism no say yentumi ne mwa kura to me ware. Yentumi ye biribiara. Say na ye ho beto yen. But enye ni onyame pe. Ye pe no. And na Roman father no ni ade nyina wo so photo ai ba beba. Say wo be ye nia onipa pe. A onipa ho beto no na mom enye ni onyame pe.
Wow. That's a Bible we do me be the free system nim.
I say if the transhumanism naba aboa dwen kakra chemical kakra onipa no be ye both chemical aboa onipa transhumanism wo be sakra onipa mo onipa yete say that obosum ana tumi bia unwu na saade ni na Yesu abeye enti de wo ye na dade obonsam niama one so person won say one kasa betuma ye one kasa betuma hwe omo so onipa betuma ye obetra ne ho so atrase a onwu eno na wo practice and never ba say the whole world Africa for Ghana for enye de obi amfa ne ho ye de enhyem
wow
na ebeba ma edu owu ohaw kese aba wiase eno ntina wo for so gain obeye biana we no be biana ni na from artificial intelligence na ashase artificial general intelligence enti na o say Bible no share nkom say ebedo mribe no wo hu ni bi ni tin ni nine ni we ni afrafra no one of the aliens the foreign part of the world no ni na ba be meji ba be kabum say yen yese a yen ye hu beto yen enye ni onyame ye de eka na mom yen hwe se ye kontra space a ya free space nso ho a na ye de ye ko ba bi onyame wo
wow
anti se no se Ghana ampa yankasa ye intelligence ya ampa ye researchers ya ampa ye scientists anye ya dia we will be forced to do it. We will be forced by the superpower because ye ho kire we beto yare disaster beba wiase na woman wo beboa aba obusia no condition wo be ma ebia ni IMF on condition IMF no wa on eduma sorting crofos
yes
and so yes and so yes un sasha one o e den koka asemi o meka dwe so e den udisu na sabri ya nhwehwe yan kasa ye shebre ye mbobre atman thinking creative do something a time come Ghana will suffer sabri mpo na mebu ntumi ye hwe na fe de ebeyim be mu akofifie akosifie upon the free education also say oil na dey question na what profits them, what is the profit of them, what are they doing by themselves?
Nothing.
They cannot do anything by themselves to employ. Very good. In the majority when you scan pure water, we don't know how to recycle the pure water. And the free education, what are they creating? What do they do? Upon in Sika yes, they're creating the human resources for the children. It's waste. Why don't we help them reducing the school fees so that they can go to the school by themselves, so that they can do what they wanted to do? Obu ho ko school, odu form 3 school no so otua no oye kra onpe. Onpe no ne spirit echi school, ne sign ne destiny enye school. We are the go school no. And now be also work school we ye koto certificate man. And perform wage bebre no what to certificate they know nothing. Now the way go to minister of so he know nothing. He cannot teach nothing. He cannot implement nothing. And the minister of education and not say never what you bomb. Only knowledge biara say mean change the educational system of the previous. Over the rivers of Africa, Senegal, Gambia, Volta to Niger, Congo to Orange, Limpopo to Zambezi is the river of the and the Yenim Banche, Coco, Yenim Banche Fita, Yenim say, a Bianocra Yebe Yedicra, Yenim. And the school I con yes, can the process school, and pass by the watch. Therefore, and the Nayan find means of finding a researchers, scientists, who we are scientists more yibako no nkyere wom to implement it
to work as also on ideas about him now so why
experiment
yes
and to experiment now and you go to kumska nation government nation they can develop it to do something let's say the scientists ebia no onim chemical bi obeye but this is a common dentin no wajai
because about 40 meter prior shoot to be too free here America there obetima e bibia
and this scanner also the human resource for school emboa won na momo per scientists no wo beto ko school obi anso wa hwe oba ko school reducing the things since every time you almost to budget so because can be any and then Ghana has no backbone and then there's more inflation that kind. One day I see the needy now one day gold no gold I hina want to I hina wanya na hina reserve I hina almost spending we don't have any reserve. Ghana gold have no reserve. We don't have the reserve of the country. Ghana has no reserve and inflation keep on 80 years scanning sunya papa because we don't have researchers, we don't have scientists to create, implement and come out with a substance.
Wow. Daddy, what punish for me who are worker scientists as well? Only the best spiritual thing.
Because he know nothing what he's doing. And to me beside say radio say there be me there no me to me yes science. Because me microphone only yes scientists. We thought of the spiritual, which is kingdom of God, the world that is coming. Yeah. But this world, there are people whom God has given them the knowledge of this world. Ebiana Meka said, we are so lucky God has given us Apostle Kojosapo. He is the spiritual God, is God of this world. Spirit of this world. Onimbanchi, Onimeko, Oninti Aisasanka, government tono. Ghana, what talk Apostle Kojosapo? Now, kwada warfare, only scientists, you know, what they want now, go na nyono no be feed wom abai no government nem feed wom enti mo fran be ban obu ha na nkasa betuma ye obu ho so a no kuta the spirit of knowledge a osua obeku enti aka Joseph be nyi awie no na wo won krofo bebre na adwuma no atre
to kokora na nkofo wa kire
obi koto be fi bia aba wo wanya bi te wona famodi di agro enti niaman so awoya ede onyame bufusu beba eno so na woya okopetumi okopeso me pese me president me pese me minister me propose se endo okodie duro okoton duro okoyese ade a ide bufusu onyame bufusu ebeba eno nkutu ende se yankasa Ghana fo ye na mo so ye nyina ya aka wo kasa okeke wo parliament wo enkobo keke no bo but aka fo nkutu ne go parliament
daddy
aka onkuto na obi aka spiritual dentia esunu wetumi obema obo so ote den mo abokola nso na oboduku esunu tubia odi akọ parliament o esunu enti sunsumu no wonka
sebe mo man na kasa kwa
enti o man na kwa hutirem was one of person ya de pa esan say enye wo na wo aba mu nti na wo ya ba odi egu enti parliament won to ye ba ku da I'm feeling kuto no wako dia kwa parliament.
Wow.
And did the radish yet to because also did for comfort over commanding mo now she saw commanding saying unso won be. Na me be say men kan kire no be antie ye be bompai asofo nyina en sorry before the 2020 election. Yes remo. Na mo fa asonwemra o mani nyamo dia eyo onyankopon dia. And the asofo was mo ma yen sorry. Ye bompai nefe ebe possible mpemfo no be wonyi mpemfo na won ko parliament o ensan ko bompai won bompai ma mpanimfo no na won fa odo bia ko asonyembra na won yi sa niam won ko fa dia begu o manemu a musu mu ni bo bia mo de boa na de o hawo ni ade oye ne beba en na de accident niam bebre o hawo jasisi niam bebre no into so for be shan come se jabe hye a o ya we ne huhuma ka kire se enche jabe beto ha jabe to han and ye won ya obi aye and di jan beba.
Wow. Daddy.
Amen.
Uti say afuto we dey ye ka se ye kan e be ka ma bi ache. Ye bre no aye de. E person ka wo de o last years be gu won.
Ewrade Yakobon ye da wase. Osuru asasuru ade asoto for sanka Yesu mo ne aduma o. Emebo no and I was one to Mufuno, Abednego Jobachi, Anthony Reverend, also one to Bebono, Oberwaria, Kanka, Sofono, Oberwaria, Sheni, and Dia Confetti, and Dia Conochi, Nemum, Orienphobi, Nafe, Bohum Pie, Nashe, na Baby by said, Obivia will come no I say, and the member baby, terminal if you want me, man, and man and sono, we are for, and could this kitchen, and could you say, now, but once, no, Yami Yimao. Na uyo ba na ukata uhusia Ewrade adom favor ba so ate se Esther o se tokrom ye ba be fa ba apu abonte onyame nchira enka ya e Yesu dimo amen
amen abusia for aha ne de yakomo twetwe no ebesi mi gidi se won so no wa ye nshapa ba bia wo asemo ana wa ye papa ka no mi gidi se won so na ne ya adwen pa because se ya hwade system ne ko na se ya na betia de ya da achen de ye wo bi company wo bi nso ebisa abusia ka wadwen tire bia na wo no troma me e wo comment section ho no ye ba ye bebisa papa e de ama like na share na fofo insan so yintimi enke bi e de amaje so ne asona bana na ekua makraw